It is time for another beach adventure with Crete. And this is Aptera Beach, located very close to Chania center, maybe around 2 kilometers. And it's located between the beaches of Clarissos, that's closer to Chania, and the next one is Golden Beach, that is quite longer and wider beach than this one. And we have a wonderful sunny Thursday, 25th of April. It is currently 4:30 p.m. and it is 20 degrees Celsius in the air and around 18 degrees in the sea satellite measurement. And yes, this is my 5th episode for this day. And yeah, I have been walking from Aegean Marina all the way to Cretan Sea here and exploring the same beaches that I did explore 3 days ago, but now with a bit more sun. So yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? So I'm getting ready for another beach here adventure as you enjoy this beautiful beach. Lots of sand here, and there is a promenade here walk that you continue coast. It will take you to the center of Chania. The wind is blowing like crazy today, if you have already seen my previous episodes of today, but it's still nice and still convenient. And even though it's a bit windy and not so warm, the sun gets on the skin very fast, so I have been putting on some sunscreen very frequently today to be honest. So that's good because one needs to be protected from the sun rays, UVA and UVB. Okay, the wind is blowing, making it a bit chillier, but the sea is amazing and it's gonna be a great beach adventure, this one as well. I'm actually all alone on the beach. There is nobody. I'm completely alone. So this is what you can expect if you're traveling to Chania in April. I just love when it is pre-season and it's not crowded at all, and you can find your own inner peace and enjoy. That's amazing. I don't like being in the crowds, or at least now. Oh, okay. All right, then let's take a dive. Amazing, brilliant. I love it. So nice indeed. Cool, then that's a wrap from Aptera Beach here in Chania in Crete. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.